Om Shri Sai Ram. Previous class we have studied about acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Acceleration means the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Now some problems related to acceleration. Open your textbook, page number 103. In that one example is given. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. Then he applies brake such that the velocity of the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second in the next 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the bicycle in both the cases. Just look at the question. What is given in the problem? Starting from a stationary position, and it means bicycle at rest. So what is u? Initial velocity of the bicycle is 0. It is given in meter per second. The attain a velocity of 6 meters per second. So 0 meter per second. Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity. He pedals. Now he starts pedaling his bicycle to attain a velocity. Now bicycle starts from rest and it attains the velocity. It attains the velocity means the final velocity is 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. 30 seconds means time. Time equal to 30 seconds. This is the first case. In first case, what is u? Initial velocity equal to 0 meters per second. What is v? Final velocity equal to 6 meters per second. Then time t equal to 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, starting from a stationary position, that bicycle attains a velocity of 6 meters per second. Then he applies brakes such that the velocity of the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second in the next 5 seconds. This is the second case. Now in first second, find the acceleration of the bicycle, because you have to find the acceleration of the bicycle in both the cases. In the first case, what is acceleration? What is the formula for acceleration? Acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. Now, what is V? V equal to 6 minus U equal to 0 divided by T equal to 30. Substitute the values. 6 minus 0, what do you get? 6 minus 0, 6 divided by 30. Now 6 ones are 6 fives are 1 by 5, or we can write 1 divided by 5. What do you get? That is 0.52. So 0.2, now it is acceleration. So A equal to 0.2 meter per second squared. In the first case, what is the acceleration? The acceleration is 0.2 meter per second. It means the acceleration is positive value. So positive means the velocity is increasing. The velocity is increasing. A equal to 0.2 meter per second square. Next case, second case. Then he applies brakes such that the velocity of the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second. Comes down to, it means final velocity is 4 meters per second. What is initial velocity? Initial velocity you have to take 6 meters per second is the initial velocity. So u equal to 6 meters per second. Why you have to take initial velocity as 6 meters per second? Because it attains a velocity of 6 meters per second. When he applies a brake, it comes down to 4 meters per second. So initial velocity is 6 meters per second, and final velocity when he applies brake, the bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second. So final velocity is 4 meters per second. In the next 5 seconds, means t equal to 5 seconds. T equal to 5 seconds. Now find the acceleration. In this case, A equal to V minus U by T. Substitute the values. What is V? This is 4. What is U? This is 6. What is T? 5. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Divide minus 2 by 5 does not divide, so put a point, and here it is minus. Why? Minus and plus, unlike signs, so it is minus. Now it becomes 20, 5 fours are, so minus 0.4 meter per second squared is the acceleration. Now what is the meaning? Minus 0.4 meter per second, the velocity is decreasing. Positive means velocity is increasing. Yes, velocity is increasing because 0 meter per second to 6 meter per second, it attains the velocity 0 to 6. So the velocity is increasing. A equal to acceleration is positive means the velocity is increasing, and acceleration in the direction of motion. Here in the second case, A equal to minus 0.4 meter per second. Why it is minus 0.4 meter per second square? Minus means velocity is decreasing. Just look at this. Velocity, it attains 6 meter per second. When he applies the brakes, it comes down to 4 meter per second. 6 meter per second to 4 meter per second. Increasing or decreasing? It is decreasing. So minus 0.4 meter per second. It is the acceleration is opposite to the direction of motion. This is about the first problem. Next concept is equations of motion. There are 3 equations of motions. The first equation is V equal to small v, V equal to u plus at, all small letters, V equal to u plus at. What is V? Final velocity. What is u? Initial velocity. What is a? Acceleration. What is t? Time taken. This is the first equation of motion. Second is small s equal to ut plus half at squared. The another equation of motion. The third one is v squared minus u squared equal to 2as. V squared minus u squared equal to 2as. These are the 3 equations of motion. In that, what is V? V is final velocity. What is V? V is final velocity. What is u? That is initial velocity. Initial velocity. Then A. A means acceleration. What is t? T means time taken. Then S means distance traveled or distance covered. Distance traveled. 3 equations of motion: V equal to u plus at, S equal to ut plus half at squared, V squared minus u squared equal to 2as. V means final velocity, u means initial velocity, A acceleration, t time taken, S is distance traveled. These are the very important equations of motion. Let us solve some problems related to equations of motions. In that, one example: a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. Be careful, it is given in kilometer per hour. What is the SI unit? SI unit is meter per second, but it is given in kilometer per hour. Convert this into meter per second, kilometer per hour to meter per second in 5 minutes. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration and the distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. A train starting from rest. What is starting from rest means? It is in rest. It is in rest means what is the initial velocity? U equal to 0 km per hour, because it is given in kilometer hour, or we can write directly it is meter per second. 0 km per hour and 0 meter per second both are same, because 0. Rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. Attains means it gets the velocity 72 km from 0 meter per second to 72. So final velocity V equal to 72 kilometer per hour, but it is given in kilometer per hour. So convert this V equal to 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second. 72 kilometer per hour means kilometer divided by hour. It is equal to 72 into 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So 1000 instead of kilometer, right? How many meters? 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. Divided by 1 hour means 3600 seconds, because 1 minute means 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds, 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Now 2 zeros cancel, 36 ones are 36 twos are. Now 2 into 10 is 20. 20 by 1 means it is 20. So 20 meter per second. Now 72 kilometer per hour is converted to meter per second. It becomes 20 meter per second. Now what is V? V equal to 20 meter per second. After that, attains a velocity of 72 kilometer per hour in 5 minutes. 5 minutes means T is given. What is T? 5 minutes. It is in SI unit. What is the SI unit of time? It is second. So convert it into seconds. T equal to 5 minutes. How to convert minute to second? It is very simple. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 5 into 1 minute means 60. So 5 into 60. Then we get 300 seconds. So what is T now? T equal to 300 seconds. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform acceleration, and first find the acceleration. Yes, how to find the acceleration? We know that the formula A equal to V minus U by T. What is the acceleration? Acceleration equal to V minus U by T. Now substitute the values. A, right as it is. What is V? V equal to 20 meter per second. So 20 minus, what is U? It is 0. Then T equal to 300. So 300 seconds. Then A equal to 20 minus 0. It is 20. Divided by 300. 0, 0 cancel. 2 ones are, 2 15s are. So 1 by 15 meter per second square, because it is acceleration. So A equal to 1 by 15 meter per second square. Next, what we have to find? The distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. Be careful. There is two formula. S equal to the distance traveled. What is the formula? S equal to ut plus half at squared. But in this case, the velocity is not given. So you do not use the formula S equal to ut plus half at squared. Why? The distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. Attaining this velocity means what? Attaining means 0 to 72 kilometer per hour. Attaining this velocity 0 to 72 kilometer per hour. For this velocity, so you have to use the formula V squared minus U squared equal to 2AS, because attaining the velocity 0 to 72, initial velocity to final velocity. So you have to use the formula V squared minus U squared equal to 2AS. Can we use the formula S equal to ut plus half at squared? Yes, it is wrong. So you have to use V squared minus U squared equal to S. Now what is U? U equal to 0. We know that. What is U? U equal to 0. So V squared minus 0 squared equal to 2S. This equation becomes V squared minus 0 squared equal to 2S. Or V squared minus 0 squared means that is V squared. So V squared equal to 2AS. Now S equal to, because you have to find the distance traveled. Yes, S equal to V squared by 2A. V squared by 2A. Now use the values. Substitute the values. What is V squared? V means 20. So 20 squared. V squared, V equal 20, so 20 squared divided by 2 into, or we can directly write 20 squared, no need of bracket. For the confusion, you have to write the bracket 20 squared. 2 into A. What is A? That is 1 by 15. Be careful, 1 by 15. Now it is S equal to 400, correct? 20 into 20. 20 into 20 equal to 400. Why? 2 into 2, 4. Then square means here 1 0. After the squaring we get 2 zeros. So 400 by 2 by 15. We get, or 2 into 1 by 15. 2 ones are 2 200s. So S equal to 200 by 1 by 15. Just look at this. Now the next step is, this is 200 by 1. 200 by 1. So 15 into 200. 15 into 200 divided by 1. No need of writing divided by 1. So what is 15 by 2? 15 into 200? 15 zeros are 0, 15 zeros are 0, 15 twos are 30. So 3000 meter, or we can write 3 kilometer. Yes? What is the distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity? This is 3000 meter or 3 kilometer. This is a very simple problem. You have to first convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, minutes to second. Then we get the answer. Next example, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration second, the distance covered by the car in that time. First write the data. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. The rate of change of velocity. What is the rate of change of velocity in this? 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. So write the data. What are the data? U equal to, the car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. So what is the initial velocity? 18 km per hour. Convert directly. 18 into 1000 by 3600. You can directly write. Why it is kilometer per hour? Converted into meter per second. 2 zeros cancelled. Then 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 ones are 2 5s are. What do you get? 5 meter per second. This is U. 5 meter per second is U. After that, what is V? Final velocity? 36 km per hour. Just look at this. We can directly write in meter per second. When it is 18 km per hour, now if we convert it into meter per second, it gets 5. 18 it is 5. Now 18 final velocity is 36, doubled. So it is 10 meter per second. We can directly write it as 10 meter per second or calculate like this. Then we get the same answer. After that, in 5 seconds, in 5 seconds means t equal to 5 seconds. First, find the acceleration. What is acceleration? A equal to v minus u by t. Substitute the values. What is v? 36 minus, be careful, v is 36 kilometer per hour. Now it is converted into 10 meter per second. So you have to write 10 minus u. What is u? U equal to 5 meter per second divided by 5 seconds. Can I cut 5 ones are 5? First is subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5 divided by 5. What do you get? 5 ones are 5. 1 meter per second squared. What is the acceleration? Acceleration of the car is 1 meter per second squared. Now find the distance covered by the car in that time. Now find the distance traveled. That is S equal to ut plus half at squared. Substitute the value. What is u? U equal to 5. What is u? 5 meter per second into t. What is t? It is also 5 plus half into a means it is 1 into t square. Be careful, t square, t equal to 5. 5 into 5. Why t square means t into t. T equal to 5. So 5 into 5. 5 into 5 it is 25. then 1 by 2 into 25. 1 by 2 into 25, or 2 ones are 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, then 5s are 12.5. 25 plus 12.5, we get 37.5. What is the distance traveled? It is 37 meter. Why it is meter? Because meter per second, meter per second. So what is the total distance traveled by the car? It is 37.5 meter. Last example, the brake applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second squared. Acceleration is given. The brakes applied to a car, they produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second squared in the opposite direction to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes, calculate the distance it travels during that time. Be careful. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second squared in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction means the acceleration opposite to the direction of motion. So acceleration is equal to plus 6 meter per second squared or minus 6 meter per second. Be careful. It is minus 6 meter per second. So A equal to acceleration equal to 6 meter per second squared. Can I write 6 meter per second squared? Positive? No, because minus. Why it is minus? Acceleration of 6 meter per second squared in the opposite direction, to the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds, it means t equal to 2 seconds to stop after the application of brake. Car stops after the application of brakes. Calculate the distance it travels during this time. Only given A and T. Is it? Only given A and T, acceleration time. Car stops. It means what is the final velocity? The final velocity is 0. What is final velocity? It is 0 meter per second. Be careful. Car stops after the application of brakes. Car stops means it finally becomes rest. It comes to rest. So V equal to 0 meter per second. What we have to calculate? Yes. Yes means distance traveled. For the to find yes, you have to know the value of u, that is initial velocity. How to find the initial velocity? You must use the formula V equal to u plus at, because V is given, u is not given, a is given, t is given. From this you have to find the value of initial velocity, or this equation becomes u equal to small u equal to V. Now it is plus, it becomes minus at. Now substitute the values. U equal to, what is V? It is 0. 0 minus A. What is the value of A? Minus 6. Be careful. Here it is a minus. Then A equal to minus 6 into T. That is 2. So 0 minus 6 into 2. 12. Minus 12. Minus 12 into minus. It is plus 12. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Minus 12 into minus, minus into minus. When we multiply minus into minus, the product gets the positive sign. So 0 plus 12, it is equal to 12. 0 plus 12 means 12 meter per second. So what do we get? U equal to 12 meter per second. Now find the distance. Yes, S equal to ut plus half at square. Substitute the values. U is 12 into t equal to 2 plus half into a. A is minus 6 into half into a minus 6 into t. What is t? 2 into 2. So we get 12 into 2 is 24 plus 2 cancel. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12, minus 12 into plus, it is minus 12. 2 cancel, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, minus 12 into plus, it is minus 12. So 12 meter. So what is the distance travel? The distance traveled is 12 meter. This is the answer. Now some of the problems are given in the textbook. You have to solve. I will send the problems in WhatsApp. Sai Ram.